If you own a car, a dashcam isn't just a luxury, it's a safety essential. Drivers face the risk of false accusations, hit-and-runs, and insurance headaches, and a dashcam can be your best witness. But not all dashcams are created equal. Cheap or low-quality cameras might work fine during the day, but at night, they often fail. You won't be able to read license plates, and that crucial detail could be the difference between a resolved claim and a lost one. That's why it's worth investing in the right features. In this video, I've researched the top 5 dashcams, covering everything from night vision and 4K resolution to advanced smart features. All product links are in the description so you can buy directly from Amazon. Let's dive in. 5. The Mirror Upgrade, Wolfbox G900 Pro. Imagine this. You're backing your SUV out of a tight parking spot, your kids' car seats, or a pile of groceries blocking your view. That's where the Wolfbox G900 Pro shines. This isn't just a dashcam. It replaces your rearview mirror with a crystal-clear 12-inch 4K widescreen. The standout feature is Smart Reverse Assist. The moment you hit reverse, the screen automatically switches to a wide-angle 2.5K feed of the ground behind you. Parking has never been easier, even in the tightest spots. 4. The Invisible Witness, Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. Now, if you hate wires cluttering your windshield, meet the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. It's so compact it hides completely behind your mirror, like an invisible witness riding shotgun. Even without a screen, it's incredibly smart. The built-in polarizer works like high-end sunglasses for your lens, eliminating dashboard glare so your 1080p HDR footage stays crisp, even under bright sunlight. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands, this little cam quietly captures everything that matters. 3. The Speed Demon, Viofo A329. Ever been on the highway and a car speeds past so fast you can barely make out the plate? That's why the Viofo A329 is perfect for high-speed driving. Most dashcams record at 30 frames per second, which can look choppy, but this beast shoots 4K at 60 frames per second, so every moment is smooth, almost cinematic. And with external SSD support, you can plug in a massive 4 terabyte drive and record your entire road trip or long commute without ever worrying about running out of space. 2. The 360-degree Shield, Vantrue N5S. If you drive for Uber or Lyft, or just want complete peace of mind in crowded parking lots, the Vantrue N5S has you covered. It doesn't just look forward, it records front, rear, and both sides simultaneously. Thanks to Sony Starvis 2 sensors on all 4 cameras, it can see clearly inside a dark cabin or down a dimly lit alley. Imagine being able to catch a door ding or any suspicious activity around your car. It's like having a personal security guard riding with you. 1. The King of Amazon, Red Tiger F7NP. Finally, the Red Tiger F7NP takes the top spot. Why? It delivers the premium 4K front and 1080p rear experience without the premium price. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it dashcam. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, 10 times faster than older models, you can pull over, open the app, and have footage ready on your phone within seconds. Perfect if you need to show video to the police or insurance after a minor scrape. All of the dashcams I covered today have Amazon links in the description, so you can check the latest prices and grab the one that fits your needs. Personally, I think each of these cameras offers excellent value depending on your priorities. Whether it's a big screen, invisible design, 360-degree coverage, or fast 4K recording. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which dashcam would you pick for your car?